Inquiries are something that can hurt your credit because an inquiry stays on your credit report for 2 years and it counts against you for the purpose of calculating your FICO credit score for 1 year. So you don't want to have so many inquiries on your credit. If you've been credit shopping, opening a whole bunch of department store credit cards, etc., stop that immediately. Another thing, though, that comes as a huge surprise to a lot of people is that doing something as innocent as renting a car with a debit card can actually hurt your credit score because, unbeknownst to most consumers, rental car companies have the right to actually pull your credit report when you rent a car using a debit card. And so you have to know sort of the ins and outs of the credit scoring world, and sometimes these kind of surprises can hurt you if you're not aware of the rules. A lot of people mistakenly think that if they check their own credit report that will hurt their credit score and somehow. That's absolutely not the case. There are actually two types of inquiries. So a hard inquiry is when you've actually applied for credit or sought a loan of some form, and that does impact your credit score. However, when you pull your own credit report and you review your credit history, as you have a legal right to do, that's called a soft inquiry, and that does absolutely nothing. It doesn't hurt your credit score in any way. In fact, you can look at your credit report once a month, once a week if you wanted to, and nothing negative would happen. In reality, when it comes to credit scoring, even if you have a $600,000 mortgage or $60,000 in student loan debt, as long as you're paying those bills on time, that's not going to hurt you as much as having, say, $20,000 in credit card debt and being maxed out on your credit cards. So the debt that you should tackle first from a credit scoring standpoint is that typically higher rate credit card debt. If you do so, that'll help boost your FICO score.